Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you?
Okay.
سڵاو لە بینەرانی بەڕێزی کەناڵی بیکەیفۆڕ ئەمڕۆ هاتمەتە شاری لەندەن لە ئەم پۆلیسە خۆشەویستە لەگەڵ هەموو کوردانی لەندەن تێکەڵا و قسەیان لەگەڵاکا و هەمووی ئەم پۆلیسەوەیان خۆشەوێ.
Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. My name is Paul, PC Paul. I've been a police officer for 24 years. I've been on this road now for 17 years. And alhamdulillah, I became Muslim a year and a half ago. So I've worked in the community for a long, long time amongst the community. We have a big Kurdish population here, a big ummah here from all over the world. So alhamdulillah, it's a lovely area to work. I see the children grow from babies up to adults and I'm very happy.
All the Kurdish people love you.
Alhamdulillah, you know, it's remarkable, the love that I get from the community. The street, I mean, we get people come from all over the country to this road just to eat food. But wherever you go, you know, listen, this road, the people are passionate. And alhamdulillah, it's one big community and they all give me love and respect. And we get people from all over the world come here just to eat food.
Okay. Do you have any message for the Kurdish people?
I love you and inshallah I'm going to visit you very soon.
You go to
inshallah.
Kurdistan?
Inshallah, one day.
Which city you want to go?
All over. All over.
I'm from Alabcha.
MashaAllah. So I would love to, the whole country, for me, I would love to visit everyone there. Alhamdulillah.
ئەڵێ بەم زوانە یەم بۆ کوردستان یەک سەردانی هەموو شارەکانی کوردستانەکات ئەوە زۆر خۆشحاڵیە بۆ ئێمەی کورد لە وڵاتی بەریتانیا کە پۆلیسێک ئینگلیز مسلمان بۆ یەت بۆ کوردستان سەردانتان دەکا بەم زوانە.
So yeah, I would like to visit the whole of the country. All the people are beautiful.
Yeah, welcome anytime.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Today is beautiful.
It's beautiful. MashaAllah. It's hot. Assalamu alaikum, my brother.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
And as I said, thank you all. Thank you for all the love and all the kind messages. And you know, the people is like one big family. Alhamdulillah. So very nice. Very nice. Inshallah, I'll see you. Okay.
کەناڵی بیکەیفۆڕ لە خەمی هەمووان کۆکەرەوەی کوردان لە تاراوگا بەگشتی لە ئەوروپا و بەریتانیا کەناڵی بیکەیفۆڕ